What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. This is another video, guys. You know what I'm saying? So guys, as we speak, guys, so far we're killing GBP CHF. As you can see here, guys, we're killing GBP CHF. So crazy, guys. In a VIP group, it's crazy, guys. It's crazy, guys. It's crazy, guys. It's really crazy. So I made 1,800 US dollars from GBP CHF. You know what I'm saying? And guys, don't forget, guys, we also killing AUD JPY. You know what I'm saying? AUD JPY is also getting killed, guys. NSD USD, guys, it's like, guys, it was so crazy. You know what I'm saying? So crazy. You know what I'm saying? So guys, listen, I didn't forget about you guys. I know, guys, it's been 2 to 3 days, like it's been almost a week without dropping your videos. You know, I've been, I've been relaxing, guys. I've been relaxing, just trading with my VIP team because, sometimes, you get tired, So I've been, tired for the YouTube videos, but now, guys, I'm back about you guys. I didn't forget about you, but make sure you comment below, let me know, guys, any kind of a video that you want me to do for you, then I'll do it for you guys. Remember, if you're new to the channel, my name is Juba Snipe. Juba Snipe, fake Juba Snipe. I'm teaching you how to kill the market. I'm teaching you how to make money in a forex market. Don't forget about that. So I didn't forget about you guys. I'm back. As you can see here, I'm getting the big Red Bull. It's the big one. It's the 500 mil. Just to get that energy. That energy, because the Red Bull gives you wings. So I'm back, guys. I'm really back. So I'm going to teach you guys how you can catch all this type of profit, all this type of profits, all this type of profit, all this type of profit. No big deal. All you need, guys, is to form my skills. And if you want to use my strategies, guys, on this channel right here, if you can see my previous video, maybe you might be new, on this channel. So check my previous videos, guys. I have a lot of strategies. If you're new to the channel, like you still a beginner in a forex trading, these strategies, guys, these mobile strategies, they're going to teach you how you can be able to make money in the forex market, even if you still know. All you need to do, guys, all you need to do, guys, is to apply the strategy that I uploaded on this channel. The same, just make sure you watch the video correctly and do the same thing as I showed you, and then apply that strategy in your MT4 platform. Then you're going to be able to start making money in a forex market. And if you want to know how I was able to catch all these trades, just make sure you watch the full video, and also make sure you comment below. Leave the comment below. Let me know what can I help you. Just leave the comment. Because I help you guys according to the comment. If you guys didn't comment anything, I won't know what to help you. What to help you about. So I want you guys to comment below. Let me know, everybody, what you think. And if you want to join the free Telegram group, you can join the free Telegram group. The link is on description below. And then after that, you can join our VIP group, where I send the signals every day. So you make money when I make money. As I make money, you take the same trade as I trade. If I take a loss, we're gonna take the loss together. And if I win, we're going to win together. But one thing you must know, bro, it's good, because you're going to be trading with a professional trader, which means all the signals that I'm sending out there, guys, they are safe because they're under this proper risk management. They're under proper risk management. When there's no trade, when I look at the market, there's no trade, I don't trade. I just gonna chill, do other things. I'm profitable already, bro. But for you, you're gonna be studying. For me, I'll be doing other things. So having some good time. So there's no trade, I can see like, yo, today there's no trade, and I'm not gonna set the signal at all. But if there's a signal, guys, we're going to make money together. You know what I'm saying? So watch the full video. I'm going to show you guys how I was able to guys, to catch GBPCHF. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to show you everything. You know what I'm saying? It's easy, very easy. I'm going to show you how I catch this trade, and then you can use the same skills as I did use to catch this signal, and you can use it by yourself, and you're going to make money easy like that. So let's get to the chart. Let me show you how I did it. Peace out. Make sure before we jump into the chart, you can see I'm on the chart. You know, I say every single time before we get into the chart, just make sure you click that like button first. You know, I say, and I hope you're done. Let's get in, bro. So guys, as you can see, guys, right now on the chart, you know what I'm saying, as you can see here, we on the chart. So I want to show you guys how I was able to catch GBPCHF, you know what I'm saying, and make all these profits. You know what I'm saying? It's very easy. I'm doing this, guys. Remember, I'm doing this so that you can be able to make money by your own and then learn how to trade in the right way. You know what I'm saying? So before you jump into the trade, guys, first you need to look at the direction of the market. All right, you're not going to trade the market that moves like this. You know what I'm saying? The market that moves like this, the market that moves like this. You know, you understand? You're not going to trade this kind of market. You know what I'm saying? This kind of market, guys, doesn't make sense. So make sure the market that you're going to trade is the market that moves like this. You understand? Gives you some, you know, some leading moves. You understand? This is the type of the market which you need to trade. You know what I'm saying? If you see the market doesn't move good, just leave the market. Find another one. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see here, we have GBPCHF is been at this point here, and then give us this move high, and then give us high low, and give us high low. You understand? And after that, we got a big high. You know what I'm saying? And we got the market dropped to give us the high low. So when you see the market moving forward, backward, this is how the market moves. You need to understand that the market give us the high lows, some things like this. The market give us the high lows like this. You know what I'm saying? So that, you know, when you see the market comes back like this type of, you know, pullback. You understand? This type of pullbacks. This type of pullbacks, you need to understand that the market is giving you another opportunity to put another trade in the market, or for these people who were late to get to the market, this is your opportunity to be able to get to the market as well if you were late to take the trade. So you need to wait for the pullback so that you can be able to jump in as well. You know what I'm saying? So let me show you guys how I was able to catch this trade. After I saw that the market was moving this way, this direction, I was like, okay, the market is on an uptrend right now. I put up the zone, the trend line, and I say the trend line like this. You know what I'm saying? Because I find the market at this point here. The market was at this point here. You know what I'm saying? At this point here. Then I was like, no, you know what? I need to wait the market to reach at the trend line right here. But at the same time, I was like, no, you know what? The market sometimes it might not come here to the trend line, but the market sometimes it might be able to use this zone right here. As you can see here, there's a zone. We have a zone at this point right here. You know what I say? We have a zone at this point here. So which means the market, what it did, came back to this zone here, and then after the zone gave us the continuation. So I did think about this. I was like, yo, you know what, let me just get in here. But since I've got confirmation candlestick right here, you know what I'm saying, because this party, guys, was very confused. but I was like, since I've got a confirmation candlestick right here, I do have some kind of confirmations candlestick here. As you can see, is this one. This is where I knew that the market is going to continue on an uptrend. It's not gonna be able to reach at the zone, I mean at the trend line right here and do something like this. So I knew that the market, this is the end of the pullback because of this confirmation candlesticks. So if you don't know about this kind of confirmation candlesticks, yeah, I do teach this to my students. I say, if you want to learn more about this, you can join our mentorship. I do teach you guys everything about all these things that you see here and about candlesticks things and everything. So as you can see here, we had a first touch. I don't count this one. I usually don't count this because this one, it means nothing to me. The only thing that I count this one as a pullback to the trend, as the touch to the trend line. And this, you can see this one, it's the second one, and this one I counted as a pullback 31 to the zone, I mean to the trend line, even though it didn't touch to the trend line. But the only thing that I thought about was this zone right here. So I took this zone as a pullback to the trend line because I had this confirmation right here, shows me that the market is already complete the pullback. Then after that, you can see guys here the blue, you can see the blue line here. The blue line here, this one right here. Let me make it yellow. Let me turn to yellow. This one right here down. This one right here, let me make it yellow maybe so you can see. So you can see this yellow line right here. This is where I was like, I took the trade right here with my team. And this one right here, the red one, this one right here, this was the stop loss right here. So we put the stop loss at this point, and trend line, I mean the entry point was this one right here. And as you can see guys, I did this because always focus on the loss, check the loss, how much is going to be, and the wins, how much you're going to win. Always make sure you're going to double the money. You can see the stop loss was 40 pips, but the first take profit guys, as you can see, was 8 it was something almost 90 pips. So now we already hit something about 90 pips. This is going to be a take profit one. As we speak, we already hit the TP1. We're expecting to hit the TP2 as well, which means on this trade we're going to hit something about 130 pips, as you can see here. So this is how we do the business. Always make sure if you took a loss for 40 pips, make sure you're going to win triple of your loss. So I took the risk of 40 pips to make 130 pips. You understand? This is how we do it. So guys, if you did for everything, so this is how I was able to catch this trade right here. And you can see guys, I hide nothing from you. I showed you everything. This is how I was able to find this trade. It was just simple and easy, and this is how I do it guys. I always keep it simple, because I want everyone to understand. So if you like this video guys, please remember subscribe to the channel and like the video, and see you on next one. Make sure you comment below, let me know what type of the video you want, then I'll do it for you guys. So peace out, see you on the next one.